Hey y'all, ready to get your griddle on? Yay! You can see it's a little nasty out, so hopefully the food won't be nasty. Um, this is turkey bacon. I know that's a bad word in certain circles. In fact, my lovely assistant doesn't even like being in the same house with it because it's bad. But sometimes it can be okay, especially in a recipe. Ooh, it's hot. Baja's not picky. But the purpose for all this, we're grilling some cheese. Griddled grilled cheese. We're still working on coming up with the greatest grilled cheese ever. So today, it's mozzarella. Oh, I forgot part of it. Mozzarella, turkey bacon, and honestly, the turkey bacon was on sale, and I can't resist a bargain. So we got some baby Swiss here too. We'll let that go a sec. We don't want it to burn. This is fresh, fresh mozzarella. And we used mayonnaise instead of butter. Let's see how it comes out. Oh, look how pretty. What do you think, y'all? Is that going to be the greatest grilled cheese ever? Or is it just going to be another really good grilled cheese? Only time can tell. It's smelling good. Almost there. Almost. Does not take long. Of course, faking bacon doesn't leave a nice greasy texture on your griddle that gets picked up by the other food, but it's still it's uh it's meat. Okay, that's done. Turn off the griddle. Mmm. Toss this on here. Slice it in half. This was a sharp knife. I think the bacon is fighting me. The faking bacon. Yeah, it's the faking bacon that's fighting. Let go, bacon. So, yeah, it's still sizzling. There it is. Look at that melty, cheesy goodness. Let's take a bite. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Y'all, we're getting better to the greatest grilled cheese. Mm. mozzarella wants to come out in one big blob. Sorry, couldn't talk with my mouth full. Anyway, yeah, that's darn good. The fakin' bacon gives it just enough meaty flavor, and that's a winner. All right, thanks for watching, and have a great day.